Hey there, this is Todd with Industrial Comfort, and today I've got another International Scout repair video for you. So much to my disappointment, I snapped the door handle off my International Scout 2 last week. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put the replacement back on. Now, one thing to keep in mind, these door handles will be marked with either an L or an R. So when you're going to get your replacement, make sure you get the appropriate door handle for the side that needs the repair. L for the left side of the vehicle or the driver's side, R for the right or passenger side. Now, for this project, you're going to need a vice grip, a Phillips head screwdriver, a bent coat hanger, and then something thin and plastic and or wood. You don't want anything metal or anything that's going to mar the side of the door here. So let's get started. We're going to take the coat hanger and we're going to grab it with the vice grip. We're going to loop it around the screw on the inside, and we are going to pull out and use this shim to create some leverage to keep the handle open. Now there's quite a bit of spring tension here. So while holding with our thumb, we're going to go ahead and back out the screw. Now the speed clip will stay in place. We'll then go ahead and get our replacement door handle, feed the screw through, and go ahead and put back in place. Whoops. And there we go. As you saw, it's a pretty easy project. If you found the video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.